Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Tool Tracker app. Once you've downloaded the app onto your smartphone, press the app icon on the login screen. The first time you open it up, you'll have to put in your email address, your password, and check Remember Me. And then going forward, every time you log in, the information will be pre-filled out. From the next screen, you'll be able to select tools from groupings. So say, hey, I need a bender. So you're going to select the bender category. You're going to look for the tool that you need. Eventually there will be all the benders placed in this grouping. So say you need an 855, you can pull up the 855 and you can see where the bender is at. If you need to transfer this to somebody, you can hit the edit. You can change it to who is now going to take ownership of the tool. You can also put its main location, shop, yard, or field. Field is basically all job sites. Shops, obviously shop. Generally when it's at the shop, it will be under Brian's responsibility. When it is in the yard, which is our laydown yard where all the boring equipment and utility crews working from, place it in the yard. In this case, we're going to move it to the field under Todd Siebel's control. Select Done, and now the tool has been moved. So if somebody else on one other phone looks it up to try to find that bender, they can select the bender, and they can see who has it and make the phone call to see who, hey Todd, you got the bender, can I borrow it? It should eliminate the need for us to go and call Brian or call 3 or 4 people looking for the tool. This should isolate it down to just a limited number of people. The other thing, the nice thing is if somebody moves it besides the person that actually got it assigned to, you can view the service history and see who moved it. As you can tell, I moved the tool on the 23rd, and since Todd's name's in there, that means I moved it to Todd. Now, if Todd had actually taken control of the tool, his name would show up in this screen. Another way to find the tool is using the barcode scanner. So using the barcode scanner, the tool will have, all tools will have barcodes added to them. You use the barcode scanner, you hold it up over the barcode, and scan it, and it will find the tool for you. You hit view, and there's the tool. Again, you can see who has it. If you need to move it to another person, you hit edit and say you're going to give it back to Brian, and it's now at the shop. Hit done. So the next time you may be looking for this tool, you can scroll through the categories to meters and testers. You can locate the tool, and you can see that Brian has it at the shop. So you give Brian a call and see and reserve the meter. When you come and pick up the meter at the shop, you need to scan it with your phone and transfer it to your ownership. Person who did the transferring and the person who is assigned to is going to be responsible for that tool and have to speak for where it's at. Another thing nice about this is, say you're using the Jetback, and there's a problem with it while you're using it, and you know it's unusable and you don't want anybody else to go looking for it. You can take its status from active to needing to maintenance. If you take it to the shop, then at that time you can transfer it to Frank, and it's at the shop, and select Done. So now when somebody goes looking for that tool, They can look up the boring equipment and see that the tool is in maintenance and is unusable and therefore not available. That's essentially how this app works. As you can tell, there's a lot of categories with no tools in it at this current time. We will be adding all the tools over the next few weeks. Hopefully this is a quicker, cleaner way for you guys to move tools from one to another and not having to involve a third person. Thank you for your time.